Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a line chart on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line chart on your Google Sheet web, I just going to show. So first of all, you just need to select the data, so you just need to create as a line chart. Then after selecting the data, you just click on the insert option. In insert option, you will see an option called chart. Click this. After clicking on the chart, you will see this pop up on the side. Here you just need to change the chart type to the line chart. Just scroll down, you can see the first portion. So this is a line chart. And you can just resize the chart and you can place wherever you just needed. And in line chart, you have a 3 different type of theme set. You can just change the line chart into like this or like this. And also you will see a stock like 100% or like this. You can just change it according to your use. And also you have a advanced option to click on the customization option. Here you can just change the style, and if you just need to change the color, just click on this and you can just change what the color. For an example, just going to change it to the orange, or I'm just going to change this yellow bluish to another green color. So clicking on this color option, or just click here and it automatically you can just change the color like this. For an example, just going to choose this dark green like this. You can just enter, you can just change the color theme by your use like this. You can see the lighter logo which denotes the percentage. And this is how you just create a line chart on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.